lot of people have one of their major assets being their primary residence or their home. And even others have not only home, but up north cottages, down south condos. When real estate's involved in estate planning, a great option, a fantastic tool that we utilize all the time, especially in conjunctions with a trust, are what's commonly referred to as a ladybird deed. Technically, what it is an enhanced life estate deed, but it is a unique deed. And it essentially, in the most basic sense, it's a deed that allows you to name a beneficiary on real estate, like your home. It's a fantastic tool that can be utilized to avoid probate proceedings for your primary residence or other real estate. We often use it, as I said, in conjunction with a trust. It's essentially a deed from you or you and your spouse to your trust. But the uniqueness of this deed is why it's called a life estate deed is it creates a life estate in you and your spouse for the remainder of your lives, which allows you to maintain total control, ownership of your home for the rest of your life. However, when you pass or you and your wife pass, it automatically then triggers the conveyance in the deed and puts it into your trust, thus avoiding probate. Now, in Michigan, especially, this is a great tool because, especially if you're married, husbands and wives have an enormous amount of asset protection when they own their home together because we own it uniquely. A husband and wife owns real estate in Michigan as tenants by the entireties, which means you both own an undivided part of the whole of your house, not half and half. You guys both own an undivided part of the whole, which affords all kinds of protections and advantages. And we want to preserve that protection.